Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and today I want to talk to you about what is the opposite of a lawyer who won't call you back. It's not what you think. I've done some videos about, the number one concern, the number one criticism about lawyers is that they don't call you back, they don't stay in touch, this kind of stuff. And that's why I train all my people, and we make it a real high priority to call everybody back, right? But the opposite of a lawyer who never calls you back is not a lawyer who always calls you back. It's a client who disappears and won't call me back, won't call their lawyer back. And that can kill your case. So why am I shooting you this video? So I had two of these circumstances in the office recently. One is one where the client is done going to the doctor and we need to confirm all of her medical providers. What does that mean? It means we need a good list of everywhere she went so we can submit every bill and then get those records and submit every kind of treatment, every complaint of pain, every diagnosis that the doctor gave her, because all of those in theory mean more money in a settlement offer, right? So I was doing a file review and I checked a file and I saw that my secretary had reached out to a client over the course of like 3 or 4 months, emails, everything, the whole shebang, multiple times, like 8 times. So I reached out and then I just, I called. This lady was actually referred to me by a former client, a lady who I, get along with, really nice person. So I gave her a call, and she helped me straighten it out. But, the thing is, until I know all of your medical providers, I can't order those medical bills and records. And until I get all the medical bills and records in, I can't do a demand letter and get a settlement offer for you. So it'll slow your case down. That's my point. So that's why it's always important to contact your lawyer with an updated address, phone number, email address. I always used to think like email was pretty permanent, but I've got a lot of clients who are like, oh, I don't use that email anymore. I use this one, this kind of thing. So people do switch emails, but always keep your lawyer in touch. Now, the second case where this came up, which is why I'm shooting you guys the video, letting you know if you've got a lawyer, whether it's me or anybody else, stay in touch with them. This lady had her deadline to file a case was coming up, and she did not want to file a lawsuit. In fact, she told me at the beginning, I do not want to file a lawsuit no matter what. She told me later why she didn't want to. I'm not going to tell you. It's private. But she's like, please, just get me an offer. So I did everything in my power to, and she came to me late, right? She came to me within 6 or 8 months of the deadline. So, we had a lot of medical bills and records to gather and a lot of investigation to do. And then we got what was a really good offer. It actually surprised me. It was a really, really good offer. And then I negotiated it up higher, and I pretty much got to the end of the road. And for like 2 or 3 weeks, could not reach this lady. I tried both of her phone numbers. I tried her email address. I tried writing her letters. I actually took a drive out to her house and knocked on her door. Nobody was home. I left a copy of a letter on the door because mail service is still kind of crazy downtown. Sometimes it gets delivered, sometimes it doesn't. And literally, like with 2 days left before the deadline, she called me and told me, oh, I was out of town. Yes, accept the offer. I'm very happy. So all's well that ends well, but it gave me a couple extra gray hairs. So don't drive your lawyer nuts. Don't make your case harder than it is. Stay in touch with your lawyer. Make sure your lawyer can always reach you. And that's the moral of the story, folks. I appreciate you subscribing, and I appreciate you watching my videos. It's really why I make the videos, to help injured people know how all this stuff works. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you know anybody who needs a lawyer, needs an injury lawyer, and you want to, or if it's you, that would be good too, and you'd like to talk to me, I offer a free consultation. You can call my number, which is 312-500-4500. Again, 312-500-4500. You can call it any day, night, or anytime, night or day, any time of the year. That always gets picked up, and they send me your info and I call you. And the call's free. We talk about whatever you want to talk about. I answer your questions. If you got a case, we get it signed up with extreme efficiency, and we get the ball rolling for you. So once again, thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind giving me a 5-star review on Google, I'd appreciate it. Link in the description. Super competitive market for injury lawyers right now. So if you would do that for me, I'd really appreciate it. And I got other good tools on my website. Links in the description. Really good tools for injured people to get an idea about whether you have a good case or how much your case might be worth. Free tools, take 10 or 15 seconds to do, and you get an answer. No lawyer to talk to, no obligation. So links in the description for that as well. And I'm going to wrap it up. So thank you. Have a great day, and take care.